Want to know how to fix the can't follow problems on TikTok using your Android phone? It's frustrating when you can't follow new creators or engage with your favorite accounts. These issues can happen due to temporary glitches, hitting TikTok's limits, or account related restrictions. No worries, I'll show you how to fix this quickly and easily. Solution 1. Check TikTok account limitations. TikTok has limits on how many accounts you can follow in a short time. If you follow too many accounts too quickly, you might be temporarily restricted. You can normally follow 200 accounts a day and 25 to 30 accounts in an hour. So if you hit the limit, wait for a few hours and try again. Also, check if your account is flagged or restricted by TikTok for spam-like behavior. Solution 2. Clear TikTok app cache and data. This can resolve glitches caused by corrupted app files. Open your phone settings, go to apps or apps and notifications, find and tap on TikTok. Tap on storage and cache. First, tap clear cache, then tap clear storage or clear data and confirm. Restart your phone, open TikTok and log back in. Solution 3. Update or reinstall TikTok app. An outdated or faulty app installation can cause various problems. Update TikTok. Open the Google Play Store, search for TikTok. If an update button is available, tap it. Reinstall TikTok. Now log in and test. Solution 4. Report the problems to TikTok support. If none of the above fixes work, reach out to TikTok directly. Open the TikTok app, tap Profile, tap the menu icon, tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Report a problem. Then tap on Interaction, tap on Follow, then tap Need More Help or Submit a report. Describe your issues clearly, stating that you cannot follow accounts and you've tried all troubleshooting steps. Include screenshots if possible. Tap Submit. TikTok support will review your report, which may take a few days. And that's it. By working through these solutions, you should be able to fix most TikTok following issues on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and tech help. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.